kibitomelo lwa myamwela muswele kubuhamazi mwangala Bulozi alu kumsa kayonami lopataraza kuzulera mwatoropo ya Mungu mwa Bulozi. Makande Mwa Silozi mubali kina Nathan akufuna wa mndila. Halutarimeni faritoho za Makande. SICABA sa NOMAI SIKUPA KUHULISA SIKOLO nyana sa NOMAI kusibisa secondary school. Muso ukupiwa kuiseza piru kwa kuchimbula bwino wa watu ni kulukisa miyaho. KATENGO kalaz kabataku zibabuniti kwa mana kupaliwa palikuta famazazi amalalu. Makande kakutala. SICABA sespila mwasilalanda sa NOMAI mwa Bulozi SIKUPA batusi babana ntukelo ya kuhulisa SIKOLO nyana sa NOMAI kuli sibe secondary school. SICABA sibulera kuli baluti babakenyizwe msebezi habainina ko yetelele kuina mwasikolo libakala kuli mandu ayo mumayemo hande mihape hana malaiti. SICABA bakupile BUETELELI babaketilwe chwanongona fa hamo chwalo ni MUETELELI mwa NAHA ina mtompe hakainde hichilema kuli batalime mayanga abona ni kutisa ZWELOPILI mwasilalanda.
This is NOMAI Primary School. It stands as one of the older rural colonial era schools established in Mongu district of the Western Province in the early 1920s. It's located 7 kilometers from Senanga Mongu Main Road. Yet up to now it has no proper accessible roads and not yet electrified.
Nebeta ba yamalaiti ona rubona kuli bakaza babamu sikolo malaiti ya izofita luna ona kwanu hakuna kono kifaka ofi magirabelo na moka ofera mkoko wo senanga o magirabelo ashetu mukire kuyanga fali kolo kono luna alfu vumani hakulizeo ka ofera liyo.
Unit members are advocating for the school to be either upgraded to a secondary school or have a facelift together with the school teachers compound.
SIKOLO saluna nsona kisikolo seseza kuli sikale apa grade 1 kuya grade 7 kono kisikolo sinesona yakuba kuli maneka bwe ndisahula likoloze mukafera alubulera fa sekuna ni mafomu 1 ni mafomu 2 mane kupita mafomu 5 kono saluna sasamba kusiyola kibashemba unako ngeba sape yanga sikoki selusa zibini una bana masenga ndi SIKOLO saluna mukatali merake apiruka sali tele aluzibi kuli SIKOLO saluna seba na baluna bakapira chwani
baluti abayinzi kwanu ba ina mwamandu akumate habya buchwani.
NOMAI community members are concerned about the rate at which development with the area is being taken there, despite them voting in every elections.
Lwa mafataba ya ZWELOPILI lubirala fataba ya ZWELOPILI kuluna ilutela huluka kuliyeha luikeza manenge kuli aliyo mwana hazambia kono hawafitanga fanako ya kuli babota babata kuli babotelwe batanga kuluna kutukubama kuina fafasi kukupa maboti mimayelo ababotelanga sulufane kula mkwakwa ni malaiti kitabe eluziyeza hulu minilu nalukona kusebeza likadeza kwizitokwa mkwakwa kuli zikone kuyo fita kwa liboma.
Bruce Masalela for Bulozi TV in Sefula, Mongu district, Western Province.
KATENGO kakabona za ZWELOPILI yali business nilitekisano mwa Bulozi ka Western Chamber of Commerce and Industry kasusweza muso kutalimani kutisa mikwa yeo ikano rofaza bupilo ni bwino wa SICABA. Kwa mbola ni babihi Makande bamazi mwangala Bulozi bangole bahulu bakatengo ka bo Samuel Litebere bakupile muso kutalima matata ama na sifumu ni kutiseza tamahano mahala muso nitutengo tutuichemezi ili kutisa ZWELOPILI yambuwa. Mizeo ni hali chwalo bo Emmanuel Kangwa ili bao bafumaneha kwani kwa kitwe ili kwa mikoti baize kuli muso ukone kuya hamandu ababeleki fahalimu akukenya batu misabeze.
With just few days to go before the president is sworn in for a second term in office, voices from across the country are already sharing what they want to see prioritized. In Western Province, the Western Chamber of Commerce and Industry says the focus must be on tackling economic constraints that are holding back growth in businesses. Speaking to this reporter, Chamber Secretary Samuel Litebere says for real progress to be seen, government and the private sector must work closely together.
Second term provides an opportunity to build on programs and conversations already started between government and the private sector. So WCCI therefore looks forward to a period in which
he notes that a structured platform for regular engagement will help speed up implementation and ensure the key projects are delivered on time.
Available resources within the province. Would you like to see a situation where our resources, they leave the province in a very raw state? That should be something of the past. Let's work on the industrial yard. One of the biggest problems that we have, the industrial yard is there to assist us to add value, to produce leather, to produce products from all these produce that we have. But currently it is operating at a very, very low rate.
Meanwhile, in Kitwe, a resident, Emmanuel Kangwa, is calling on government to think beyond employment. He says, as more people are recruited in public service, there is also need for government to provide decent and affordable housing for workers.
For our teachers and our nurses, because there's no way you recruit a good number of our teachers and nurses, then you do not accommodate them in better housing where they should live. How do they teach our learners if they are not accommodated properly? So, apart from recruiting these people, we're expecting the new government to build housing, better housing.
And here in Mongo, residents have raised concern over the poor state of roads. They say bad road infrastructure continues to affect movement of goods and people and are calling for urgent upgrades.
So, ne maswali yakuweza chwani kuva pakati mkwakwale kulipa kuti nikutuna nikulu senti mkwakwale kuli ube hande tu mkwakwale wa Chisonga wova kwa Old Shoprite kwa Senanga Road Junction kwa mkwakwale wana usinyele bikono luna ni BUETELELI bana ni meto bawubona nimbona ukimaba zama kumafutangana wakafela mkwakwamali kono bapala kubula sesi mukapa kweza sesi mukuli mkwakwale ukondisiwe wezi we hande kutopunya wakapulanga kwa.
As the new term begins, stakeholders stay. They are hoping for clear policy direction and practical action that will translate into real development on the ground. Sioto Akawana, Bulozi TV News, Mongo, Western Province.
Katengo ka Center for Trade Policy and Development CTPD kabukuswani ka muhezi muhato wongilwe kimuso wakwekeza malaiti kuyafabwima wa 10,000 megawatts ni haike kafirema mera ya kuli kekezo ye iswanila kubona hala kwa sichava kakuba ni malaiti asatimi na kokaufela yachu kile mwali patiso kwa Katengo ka wo mkuka chilalika vaize kuli na Zambia ito kwa malaiti amangata kufakemelo kwa business mikoti njimo ni umapanga mandu maneni teksano ya kwande anaha bo chilalika vaize malaiti alafiwa kachenu mwana Zambia hakwanisi kulikanyeza faskala sa ZWELOPILI anaha mi vale muhele kuli Zambia ne inani tikanyo ye fita fa 4118 megawatts mwasilimo sa 2025 mimalaiti anasweli kulafiwa na fita fa wima wa 1635 megawatts hakubapanywa malaiti anatoko hala kuitusiswa mwana hakaufela ile awafita fa 2400 megawatts.
The Center for Trade Policy and Development recognizes that increased electricity generation is critical to achieving the country's growth targets in key sectors such as mining, agriculture, and manufacturing. However, unlocking rural development also requires increased access to electricity. Increased rural electrification could enable greater productive use of electricity for agro-processing and value addition, potentially contributing to job creation. Access to electricity is also key to providing essential human development services such as education, skills training, and healthcare. Rural electricity access in Zambia is currently around 35%, which constrains value addition and other productive uses, as well as the provision of such services, thereby constraining rural industrialization and human development. As the government continues its growth and development agenda, its priorities in the energy sector should also deliberately connect new generation to productive rural uses.
Jana ipapata fa KOPANO ya United Party for National Development UPND kabukuswani kubata kuyemela Zambezi Central mwandu ya milao bo Dennis Mano habaskatabira linepo zaliketisa zewinilwe kibo Rafael Ngimbu mikachwalo baisizetaba kwa kutra yetuna yona ya High Court. Bomano bafitize mapampili akuzeka labone 27 muyana silimosa 2026 mi bahakaleza kuli liketsaze libile ni bumenemene misunga ni kubemba baboti hala mafosisa amangwi abiretengi mwaliketisa mi kachwalo bakupire bayemeli babona mane nisichaba kaufera sa Zambezi Central kuzolapili kuishua ni kubupa kozo taba haize itali mwakikuta ya mulao mi barani sepo ya kuli wakafumana katulo yelukile.
I just want to confirm that we have successfully filed in our petition for the Zambezi Central seat. So right now we are just trying to find the whereabouts of the respondent so that we save with him the documents. The only thing I would like to ask the people of Zambezi Central constituency, let them to be calm. We don't want anyone to start attacking one another. We are going to seek the justice that we want. There are processes that are challenging about the violence, the intimidation which happened in Zambezi. The books was stolen, destroyed. Number 2, we have got a video for Lwampungwa Primary School where our voters were stoned. 1,200 people from Lwampungwa did not vote because of the intimidation. It's very much clear. The most of the important evidence we have is on the violation of the intimidation and the people who have been beaten. We want to seek the precedents in Zambezi to show that during elections, people are supposed to conduct themselves in a good manner, whereby all of us are supposed to abide by the laws of this country.
Luka ishu msahinyani mwapo mulo ya makutila kaufi mi luka tozula pili hape ni tukiso yaluna ya Makande.
Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives. At Healthness Medical Center, we provide high-quality, accessible healthcare for individuals, families, and the wider community in Mongo and beyond. We focus on preventive care offering blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol checks, HIV counseling and testing, and community health education programs. Our outpatient and maternal child health services support families with general consultations, antenatal and postnatal care, child growth and monitoring, nutrition counseling, and family planning. Our laboratory services provide routine tests, rapid diagnostics, and selected specialized tests, while our pharmacy ensures timely access to medicines with professional guidance. HealthNest is also here during emergencies, providing 24/7 care, stabilization, first aid, and referral services supported by rapid diagnostics and ready access to medicines. We help with recovery and rehabilitation through physiotherapy for children and adults, including clubfoot, fractures, cerebral palsy, neurological conditions, and soft tissue injuries. Our diagnostic services such as ultrasound and ECG help monitor progress, and ongoing preventive care supports long-term health. At Healthness Medical Center, we combine quality, compassion, and reliable care to nurture health and empower lives. You can locate us at 53120 Lusaka Road, Kambule, 7488 Mongo. Contact us on +2609729265521. Our website www.healthnestmd.com. Healthness Medical Center, nurturing health, empowering lives.
Bulozi TV brings Azam to Western Province. Your favorite entertainment is now closer than ever. Get your Azam TV 4 kit from Bulozi TV for only 589 kwacha and enjoy over 150 channels featuring live sports, blockbuster movies, kids shows, drama.
That makes me happy. Because you see, we are connected now.
Hello, Jack. I need you to
Choose the package that suits you with the Azam Pure, going at only 100 kwacha with over 110 channels. Azam Plus at only 200 kwacha with over 130 channels. And Azam Play at only 300 kwacha with over 150 channels. Visit Bulozi TV today and get connected to affordable quality entertainment. Bulozi TV, your trusted home for Azam TV in Western Province.
Did you know that you've got the right to complain against any radio or television broadcast? Did you also know that every radio or television station has an obligation to respond and address your complaints when aggrieved? The first step is to complain to the station not more than 3 months after the broadcast took place. It is expected that the station will respond reasonably to you, that is within 14 days. If not satisfied, then escalate your problem to the Independent Broadcasting Authority.
We're at Mass Media Complex, Ali King Carter Road, PO Box 32475, Lusaka, or call us on +260 211 250589 or visit our website at www.iba.org.zm. IBA, promoting ethical and professional broadcasting.
Kibitumelo musole kubuha tukiso ya Makande Mwa Silozi mi Makande a ekeza. Katengo Kalo Association of Zambia Laz kabukuswani KAFITISA nongosi kwa maana kukwaliwa kwalikuta famazazi amalalu kwa kubirete mwana kaufera kutarosakoli kukwalulwa kwalikuta kachenu hakufelisima tata anatize kuli likuta likwaliwe ze lita samulaho wa maluku amoso kukwaliwa kuzola 24 muyana 2026 kutaha la 26 muyana 2026 bakengsalita ze amana niselelezo ya NAHA kwambola kwa babiba Makande mwatoropo ya Lusaka babayitelezi Katengo Kalazi abo Arnold Kaluba baize kuli naike SICABA sifile kolo ya kukona kuisalitaba zabona kwalikuta kukwaliwa ko nekusire batu abangata basina kolo ya kufumana kayo nali katulo kwa mana litaba zabona mi bokaluba baikiriza kutarosa kuli kolo yalikuta kiabuto kwa hulu mikachwalo balikolo lalikuta baswanira kufa hande sikuka kamoli taba ze liyeisizwe kutalimwa likafelisezwa tengi kabubebe mikufeleleza makandalo na kacheno MUETELELI wa KOPANO ya New Congress Party NCP kabukuswani wize bana Zambia kaufera babena hakwapata nikuli ZWELOPILI NAHA ibeyona yeo batu kaufera baiseza pilu kakuli liketisa kele lifera bo Pastor Peter Chanda batarosa kuli NAHA Zambia iswanela kuzwa kwa bwepapatu obusaferi ni kwiseza mu upulo kwa kuzuseza pili NAHA kwambola kwa biba Makande mwatoropo ya Lusaka bo Pastor Chanda baikirize kutarusa kuli SICABA kamkana siswalisane kufa kemelo ku MUETELELI wa NAHA ina mtompe hakainde hichirema akala kwetelela NAHA Zambia lwabubeli ili kutarusa kuli MUETELELI yo unani pono yetuna ya kutisa ZWELOPILI mwanaha kaufela.
So my call to all political leaders and political players is that at this point in time, let us begin to focus on what is best for the Zambians and what is good for all the people. And what is good is that the people want to see the lower cost of living. And that can only be done if we are productive. Now we should be criticized on the policies that President Hakainde Hichilema has made and not on the election. The elections are over, and I strongly believe that we all know that you can only ascend to power through the ballot, not through the courts. Now, the parameters are seen clearly. You get 59 MPs and you expect to win an election. How are you going to govern? Let's look at 2016 or 2021. The demonstration of the fact that President Makande Mwa won the election, even from the opposition, was seen by the number of MPs that he got against the ruling party. So for now, all I can say to the Zambian people is that the die is cast. President Makande Mwa will be inaugurated on the 1st of September, and our goal is to see that this man continues to work for the Zambian people. To the opposition, it's time for politics of productivity.
Lufitile kwa mafelelezo atukuso ya Makande Mwa Lulimi lwa Silozi kono lusika ya kale halutalimeni hape palitoho ze panga Makande. SICABA SANOMAI SIKUPA KUHULISA SIKOLO NYANA SANOMAI kusibisa secondary school. Muso okupiwa kuiseza piru kwa kuchimbula bwino wabatu ni kulukisa miyaho. KATENGO kalazi kabata kuziba buniti kwa mana kukwaliwa kwali kutra kamazazi amalalu. Mwakona kubuhari tukiso zaluna kaufela ilifa TopStar fampuito ya 120 mwaliba kaze tatama Mongo Limulunga Kalabo likalolo zengwe za Sinanga Lusaka Rufunsa Chongwe Chilanga manene liwa kazengwe zenzima bapa. Musakona kulubuha chwalo ni falike pelalo na la Facebook la Bulozi TV. Fapila abomanjinela bo fanwe opiri inambalela Makande Mwa Silozi kina Nathan akufuna wa mndila lumila kaleza kozo litumezi.